I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to limit the remote stream bitrate in Plex. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to plex.tv, and then sign into your Plex account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of your screen. The settings icon looks like a wrench. Step 3. Click Remote Access in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down this menu until you see an option for Limit Remote Stream Bitrate. Click the drop-down associated with this item to open a menu, and then choose what you want to limit the remote stream bitrate in Plex to. Click Save Changes after making this selection. The bitrate for remote streams will start being limited immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.